Loqbox is the simple way to achieve the things that matter most to you. 2024 is fast approaching, and you likely have something in mind that you want to achieve next year. Perhaps you'd like to buy a house, go travelling, get a new car, start a business, grow your family, or something else. This is a hopeful time of year, and we're here to amplify your hope. To have hope, you need two things: willpower, the belief you can do something, and waypower, a way to do it. You already have a goal in mind. You have the willpower to succeed. Now we're here to give you a way forward. We're here to give you waypower. Many of our bigger goals require us to be on top of our money. So when you want to make progress on a goal, Loqbox is the easy way to grow your savings, build your credit score, and just learn about how it all works. We've already helped almost 2 million people find a way. Start making your way with Loqbox today. Your willpower, our waypower. Anything is possible. Join Loqbox now.